welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this snatched up Foxy eye look. I feel like what's trending right now, it's a lot of like the elongated eyelashes, the fluffy brows, a nice contour, and I don't know, it just makes you look very snatched. And of course this ponytail is helping me because I did it very but yeah, if you guys want to keep on watching, then just go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump right into it. To be honest, you guys, this is my first time like doing a look like this. I did like a similar look, but like actually doing like a Foxy eye look, this is gonna be my first time. So kind of tutorial, kind of just do my makeup, do your makeup with me, doing my makeup with you. So to be honest, you guys, I have been super into like the soap brows. I got in laminated brow lamination or whatever, and I really liked it, but it's been like over a month already, so obviously it's not the same anymore. I do have to go get them done hopefully after this whole quarantine situation is over, but basically I'm just using clear soap. And I'm gonna brush up my eyebrows. I mean, if you guys want like a super in-depth tutorial of like how I actually do it and like a talk through, then just let me know. For some reason, I always spray my eyebrows with the Morphe setting spray. Oh shit. I don't know exactly what it does, but I feel like it does a difference. So that's just what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, have you guys seen that trend where you literally like shave the half of your eyebrow, or like, you know, like the tail of your brow, so you could give yourself that like look? Honestly, not down to do that. I mean, I'd rather just work with what I got because I ain't got a lot, so I'm not about to shave it all off. But I'm just going in with my Brow Wiz, and I'm just kind of like lightly just doing little hair like strokes all over my brow. No matter what kind of like makeup look I'm doing, I always carve out my eyebrows with a concealer. And I'm just taking a e.l.f. concealer. I think it's the Camo 16 wear. You guys excuse my little nephew and my little niece. They're in the back, like downstairs playing with the ball, so if you hear them. So I really like doing this because you still have like a fluffy eyebrow, but it's like nice and cleaned up at the bottom, especially right now that I do need my eyebrows done. This is like a really good method if your eyebrows are a little bit grown out. That way you can like hide those little hairs there. I have like a pimple like right in the beginning of my eyebrow. Oh my god, I don't know if I should try putting concealer on it. I don't know if that's gonna make it worse. It's so annoying. I usually just prime my eyelids with concealer. Honestly, you guys don't need, well, honestly no, you don't really need an eyeliner or an eye primer. Unless your eyebrow or your eyelids are really oily, then I would get a primer that's good for oily eyelids. But honestly, it's really not necessary, and especially for me because I have very veiny eyelids, I like covering it up with the concealer. It doesn't matter what look I do, I always have to set my eyelids. I'm just gonna go in with my Blood palette by Jeffree Star, and I'm taking the color, I'm taking the color Celebrity Skin. This is like my favorite brown, you guys. It's so nice. It's like so nice and cool. But basically what I'm gonna do is just drag it out here. I'm taking like this angled brush, and I'm just dragging it out here. Don't worry if it's a little bit messy because we're gonna be like correcting it with concealer. So I'm just gonna go in. And I am going in my crease as well, just super lightly. But my main focus is gonna be my outer V. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Hoola bronzer because it's a little bit of a darker shade of that. Okay, sorry if the angle's a little bit different. I had to get up really fast. But anyways, now what I'm going to do after you have blended like the light browns, I'm just gonna take a darker brown and I'm gonna wing it out as if it were winged eyeliner. And now I'm gonna take a brown eyeliner. This is the Stila in dark brown, and I'm just gonna do a very, very thin line here. And with the eyeliner, honestly, you don't want to go all the way in. All I'm doing is doing the wing liner, and that is it. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer on my brush. Like, I'm not gonna be doing like a harsh cut crease. I'm just doing like a really light cut crease, and I'm gonna go in all in here and just cut that, but very, like I said, very, very softly. Next, I'm just taking a matte color, like a matte bone shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over. Okay, so now for the eyelashes, literally I'm gonna take like this little piece of eyelash that I have here. I cut off, I think it was like half of the eyelash, and I'm only gonna be applying this to the outer edge. I can't tell you what eyelashes these are because these are two or three eyelashes combined that I've been using. But technically, you just want something that is kind of more winged. She's so thick. I mean, honestly, I would use something a little bit thinner. But then again, I do like a dramatic lash. And since I'm not going to have a full lash, might as well stack like three little lashes. You guys, the biggest tip I can give you guys on putting on eyelashes is really letting the glue dry. I'm telling you, if you guys let the glue dry, it's going to be so much easier to pop them on than when it's wet, because when it's wet, it's going to be sliding around, so you're not going to be able to apply the eyelash where you want to. And then applying it to the outer corner. Oh my god, no, it is too thick. I'm going to need to cut some other ones. This looked so much better when it was a fuller lash. I fucked up. I tried it on and it didn't look bad. Okay, this is what you're not gonna do. Okay, we live and we learn. All right, let me get some other lashes. Hold up. I'm gonna try to get some like more wispy lashes. No, but she wanted to be dramatic. Oh god. Okay, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is apply some mascara. Okay, so I have done my foundation. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, so I don't know if it's anybody else, but lately I have not been enjoying foundation. Like, I've tried the Estee Lauder, I've tried the NARS, I've tried everything, and like for some reason my skin just doesn't fuck with it anymore. Like, she's like, no, cakey, no. So I tried this BB cream by Garnier. And oh my god, you guys, my skin looks so good. Like, it looks like a no makeup look, you know? Like, it looks really, really good. And then I did apply my concealer. So I cleaned it up underneath my eyes. And I put my concealer, this one is in peach, medium peach. And I went in with a little bit of my Tarte Fair Neutral, like right in the center to really brighten up like the center of my face. And it's been baking now for a little while. I'm just gonna go ahead and dust this off. But you guys, if you're looking for like an everyday like foundation, BB cream, whatever, I definitely recommend it. It's for oily to combo skin, and honestly, like, I had been getting so oily like on my nose. Like, literally, it was really, really bad. So I haven't worn this all day yet, but I'll for sure let you guys know how it works. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my bronzer. So bronzer, I'm always using Hoola. Hoola is my go-to. So with bronzer, you always want to go a little bit higher on your cheekbone. So you never want to go like down here. Always the higher the better, because you're going to blend it up anyways to give it a more snatched look. And then my jawline. Gotta get rid of this double chin, you guys. All I've been doing is cooking and eating. But yeah, make sure you blend this in. And always go up to the forehead and blend it up there as well. I really like a bronzy look, so I do put on quite a bit of bronzer. Oh, I just got my Hoola bronzer. Alright, now that we have that done, I'm going to go in with blush. I love a good blush. This is the blush palette I've been using forever, and I literally just mixed the top three. It's from Benefit. It's the blush bar, but I literally just blend them all. And I'm mostly going to apply it to the top apples of my cheeks. and just a little bit here in my apples. And I do apply some to my nose. I'm gonna go in with my angled brush, and I'm not even gonna really contour my nose, but just kind of blend in that eyeshadow we had put here with everything else. That way everything flows nice and smoothly. Okay, so something I've been seeing that I really like is the inner corner wing. Honestly, I've tried it a few times and I kind of flop, but I'm just gonna try it again. Hopefully I don't mess up this whole makeup look. Just go ahead and take the same Stila pencil and I'm just gonna try doing it. You guys, I'm gonna have to get really close to my mirror. I'm sorry, I just can't really show this part. Well, let's see what happens. This is literally taking me forever and it's so hard. Anyways, okay, so you guys know those previous eyelashes that I cut that were like a no-go? Well, I saw that the tip of it, like the beginning part, I had obviously used like the outer edge, but the inner portion actually looks pretty nice. I feel like it'll work good. So I'm just gonna try these eyelashes. Okay, I like this eyelash a lot better actually. Okay, and then something I always do, you guys, is I take a Q-tip and I erase the makeup from my little beauty mark there. And we're gonna leave the bottom lower lash line just bare. I'm not gonna put any eyeshadow or anything on it. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with a little bit of the Morphe spray. And I don't spray a lot because, oh my god, last time I sprayed a lot, I was going to work and I felt so sticky the whole day. Like, it was so bad. But you guys can apply highlight. Honestly, your girl has just not been putting on highlight lately. Who is she? I don't know, but I don't know, I'm kind of like over the highlight. I mean, I get oily throughout the day anyways, so you know, a natural glow over an artificial glow. No, but seriously, like if you do put some highlight, this would look really cute. Maybe like a little bit at the tip of my nose I will do, even though my nose is what gets more oily. But you know what, either way today, it's not like I'm wearing this shit out. I don't have anywhere to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my lips. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do my lip liner. I'm gonna go ahead and overline my lips as much as I can. And this is an LA lip pencil, the LA Girl in Sugar Spice. This is a pretty nude color. Ooh, Brat, who is she? I'm just gonna continue like filling in my eyebrows or overlining my lips. Okay, now I'm gonna take a liquid lipstick. Use this liquid lipstick all the time. Oh my god, sorry, the lighting is pretty bad. I used to use this lipstick all the time. It's the Truffle by Dose of Colors. It matches this lip liner perfect, actually. And then I'm gonna let that dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on the pout of my lips. That way they look a little bit bigger. So I had to jump off really quick because I had to charge my camera, but for some reason I feel like this hairstyle and this makeup is just switching up my mood. Anyways, okay, I had said how I was gonna put concealer on my lips. I seen Yvette XO's cousin, Yvette, oh my god, they're both Yvette, no wonder, do this, and I was like, let me try it. So I'm just gonna put like very little, like right there. I hope this works. Ooh. Yeah, maybe we're gonna do a little bit more. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, I'm just gonna go back in with my lip liner a little bit at the top. Pretty gradient effect, right? Okay, well yeah, you guys, so this completes this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned at least 1 or 2 new things. And yeah, if you guys are new, please make sure to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.